In this video I will show you how to make this little cute crochet hat for a Barbie doll. This is how it looks on a doll. Let's get started. We will need fine yarn. This one is Melissa Cool acrylic yarn. It's, you can see, for needles 2.5 to 3 millimeters and 2 millimeters crochet hook. But also you can use embroidery thread that it has similar weight. 3 millimeters crochet hook, some scissors and a yarn needle. We will work in spiral, so without joining the rounds, and we will start making a magic ring, and inside the magic ring we will make 6 single crochet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we will close this hole. Now insert your hook here in this first stitch and make 2 single crochets, so an increase, and we will make an increase in every stitch on this ground. So we had 6 single crochets, we will make 2 in every stitch, so we will have 12 single crochets in the end of this round. We made 2, so in this one we'll make 3 and 4 in the same one, 5 in the next one and 6 in the same one. In the next one we will have 7 and 8. In the next one 9 and 10, and in the last one 11 and 12. In the next stitch we will make also an increase. We start round number 3, it will be 1, 2, but in the next one we will make only 1 single crochet, so it will be our stitch number 3 of this round, and we will repeat this pattern. Increase in the next one, so it will be stitches number 4 and 5, and in the next one only 1 single crochet, will be stitch number 6. In the next one 7, 8 and number 9 in the next one. Another increase 10, 11 and 12 in the next one. An increase 13, 14 and 15 in the next one. 16, 17 and 18 in the next one, and it's the last stitch of this round number 3. In the next round we will make 1 increase and 2 single crochet to have a total of 24 stitches. So we will start making an increase, 1, 2 in the same one, and now 1 single crochet in the next one, so it will be stitch number 3 of this round, and in the next one 1 single crochet, stitch number 4. Again an increase, so we will have stitches number 5 and 6, stitch number 7 in the next one, and 8 in the next one. Another increase, it will be stitch number 9 and 10 in the same one, 11 in the next one, and 12 in the next one. 13 and 14, it will be our increase. Stitch number 15 in the next one, and 16 in the next one. Another increase, so 17, 18, 19 in the next one, and 20 in the next one, and 21, 22 is an increase, 23 in the next one, and 24 in the next one. So it will be after round number 4. Round number 5, it will be again 1 increase and 3 single crochet to have a total of 30 stitches. An increase, 1, 2, 3 in the next one, 4 in the next one, and 5 in the next one. Again, an increase, 6, 7, 8 in the next one, 9 in the next one, and 10 in the next one. Okay? An increase, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, increase, 16, 17, 18 in the next one, 19, and 20. Again, an increase, 21, 22, and in the next one, 23, 24, 25, and another increase, the last one, it will be stitch number 26 and 27 in the same one, 28 in the next one, 29, and 30. Round number 6, we will start again with an increase, and later we will make 4 single crochets in the next ones to have a total of 36 stitches. So we start with an increase, 1, 2, and in the next one it will be stitch number 3, in the next one 4, 5, and 6. In the next one again we will have an increase, so it will be stitch number 7, in the same one 8, and in the next ones 9, 10, 11, and 12. Another increase, 13, 14, and in the next ones 15, 16, 17, and 18. Another increase, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. An increase, 25, 26, and in the next ones 27, 28, 29, 30, and the last group of this round, an increase, 31, 32 in the next one, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So this is after round number 6. We have 36 stitches. And now we will stop to increase. We will just make single crochet all over in every stitch to make round number 7. And we will make exactly the same, so just one single crochet in every stitch, rounds number 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now we will make 6 rounds of only 36 single crochets. I will start. We have round number 7. It will be 1, 2, 3, and just make exactly the same all over. Rounds number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And after this, I will show you what to do next. Here we go. We are after round number 12. This is how it looks like. And now we will work on this border side. So, round number 13, we will work only in back loop. So instead to insert your hook here, we will just work in this loop. So now we will work 1 increase and 1 single crochet to make a total of 54 stitches. So here it will be an increase, 1, 2, and a single crochet in the next one. Remember, only in this back loop. 3. Again, an increase, only back loop. 4, 5, and in the next one only single crochet, only back loop. 6. So make exactly the same until you have 54 stitches. 1 increase, 1 single crochet, and remember, only in back loop. So after round number 13, we have 54 stitches, and as you can see, as we were working only in back loop, we have like this little border here. And now in this round we will work only 1 single crochet in all the stitches that we made, so we will make 54 single crochet. I will start with you, but this time we will work with both loops, as always. So, 1, 2, 3, just keep going until have 54, and I will show you how to finish our hat because it's almost done. This is how it looks like after round number 14. So now we just have to finish our hat, and to finish it, round number 15, we will make just a slip stitch in every of these 54 stitches that we have. So just make a loose slip stitch. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just continue like this until you have 54 stitches. When you make this round, just slip stitch in this first slip stitch that you made. Here we go, and you can cut the yarn. Okay, and just with a yarn needle you can insert this tail inside to save it, to hide. And that's all. You can just cut the yarn. This one inside will not use. Also, and there it is. A little hat for your doll. Thanks for watching, and we will see in another tutorial.